everyone, I'm Surina from the Aaron Park Lexus Service Department, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your remote key battery. The first step is to check if your battery is working or not. So what you can do is press any button on your key here and you'll see a light flashing. If you don't see this red light flashing in the corner up here, that means it's time to replace the battery. You're going to start by pressing the button on the side here that says push, and it'll release the key shank. You're going to insert the key shank into the little hole there, and you can push up, down, or to twist it to the sides to pop it open. Then you'll take your key shank and press it a little bit under the key and press up, and that's how you remove the key. Then you'll get your brand new battery and insert it back in, and take the top, put it all together, press it together, insert your key shank again, and just like that, you've replaced your battery. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you're interested in more tips and tricks, head over to our Facebook, Instagram, or our YouTube page.